One day there was a farmer in a small village. He has a few little kids in his house. One the day the lids used to fight with each other. All the day the farmer noticed that and thought in his mind that what they are doing. It made the farmer angry also. One day he called all the kids to play with him, all came and he gave a stick to each kid, and asked to break that. Each of the kid broke the stick easily. Then the farmer took a few sticks and made a bundle of the sticks and then given to the kid who was first standing in front of him. And asked to break that, but the kid failed to break the bundle of stick, then he has given the stick to the second one, and asked for the same. The second kid also failed. Thus he has given the bundle of the stick to all kids one by one and asked to break that, but the kids are failed. Now the farmer told them that if they stay together instead of fighting with each other, then nobody can be able to break them, else anybody can harm them who want. Moral of the story: unity is a strength.